Welcome to ChequeSystem software tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through the process to create reports in ChequeSystem. Reports are an essential tool for gaining valuable insights into your financial data and transactions. Let's dive in and learn how to create and utilize reports. To get started, click on the Report button on the left-hand side of the main screen. This will take you to the dedicated report screen. On the report screen, click the New Report button at the top to create a new report. You'll be presented with a list of different report types to choose from. The report generation process in ChequeSystem is consistent across the various types of reports available. For this demonstration, let's select the account report as an example. In the report dialog box, you'll need to provide a descriptive name for the report, making it easy to identify in the future. Next, you can specify various criteria to customize the report. The checkbook option allows you to select the specific checkbook you want the report to focus on. You can also set an amount range if you need to filter by transaction amount. The date range section gives you the flexibility to choose from predefined options, such as current month, previous month, today, or yesterday. Alternatively, you can select a custom date range by clicking on the calendar icon. The search field provides an additional filter, enabling you to narrow down the report based on specific criteria. You can also choose which columns you want to include in the report, ensuring that the output displays the most relevant information. Once you've set all the desired criteria, click the Save button to save the report. The report will be calculated. The last generated timestamp at the bottom will be updated. Now that you've saved the report, you can click the Preview button to view the report in PDF format. To print the report, click the Print button. You can also use the Export menu at the top to generate the report to PDF or Excel file. The ability to customize report criteria and select specific columns allow you to generate insightful reports that cater to your business needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial.